I need to ask the obvious question. It seems to me a silly time to start an app business because with the advent of AI, and I was
Mm,
literally speaking to someone from Shopify, and they might not like me saying this, but last week, and they were saying the queues for Shopify app approval at the moment is all-time high. Like, it's crazy trying to
yeah.
get through that list because everyone can create an app. Everyone can create an app, in inverted commas, but there is so much competition. You alluded to it before.
Mm.
Why go into Shopify apps now?
Yeah. Oh, look, very good question. And I'll know in about 6 months' time. I reckon either I'll be in the Centrelink queue or yeah, it'll be starting to go well. But
Or you'll be
yeah,
on
it's an
an
interesting
island
one, and
somewhere?
it's what I think about at 3 o'clock in the morning if I wake up. But no, look, I don't know. I'm an optimist about this type of stuff, and I think actually I see more of the excitement about what's possible now. Like, yeah, like we've just built the app that we most recently launched, Product Pelican, which is essentially it's almost like I'm calling it my accidental PIM, which I yeah
Right.
started sort of just building a couple of audits for looking at product data on a Shopify store, and then yeah, actually was able to like as someone who's not a developer, I was able to vibe code it and yeah, get a really good prototype of it, and then got it to a point where I spoke to Matt over in Poland, my mate who I work with. He's said, yeah, look, we can turn this into an app. We did it. We actually, because we've already got the built for Shopify status on one of our other apps, you actually get to jump the queue. So
Gotcha.
yeah, I submitted it to the App Store at 11 o'clock one night, and then yeah, at about 3 a.m. we got it approved. So it was yeah, so we're very lucky that we sort of already got a bit of a head start there. But yeah, like you see the 700 apps getting approved every week or whatever it is, and it sounds pretty scary. But yeah, I think like the ability to innovate with where we're at the moment, and like as someone who I guess has got the consultancy background as well. Like I, as a single person, you can go out and like create so much content and yeah, solve problems so quickly with a lot of the tools that are available. And I think there's just so much opportunity as well with AI and everyone's trying to grapple with it, and it's just changing so fast. And it's yeah, as much as you can now connect Claude code to your Shopify instance and tell it to update all of your product descriptions, that's not that's not a very safe thing to do. You're not giving a mid-level e-commerce coordinator a job to go in and use Connect Claude and go and update all your products. So I think the way I see the app ecosystem changing is that apps are really about creating the guardrails for people to do what's possible with APIs and AI and that sort of stuff, and create good interfaces for it.